The human experience at its heart is marked by a fundamental awareness, a sense of ourselves and the world around us. This seemingly basic concept has fascinated and perplexed philosophers, scientists, and theologians for centuries. What exactly is consciousness? Is consciousness exclusive to the human experience, or does it extend beyond our species? When we look into its complexities, we find different aspects of consciousness: self-awareness, awareness, and wakefulness. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize oneself as a distinct individual with unique thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It's what allows us to introspect and understand our own existence. Awareness is a broader term that defines the state of being conscious of both internal and external stimuli. It includes sensations, perceptions, thoughts, and emotions, essentially our entire conscious experience. Wakefulness refers to the state of being awake and alert as opposed to being asleep or unconscious. It's the baseline level of consciousness that allows us to interact with the world around us. Historically, consciousness was often synonymous with the mind, the spiritual realm of our thoughts and experiences. Today, the definition involves various cognitive functions, feelings, perceptions, and the subjective quality of experience itself. At the heart of the exploration of consciousness lies the mind-body problem. This philosophical dilemma struggles with the fundamental question of the relationship between the mind, the non-physical area of our thoughts and experiences, and the brain, the physical organ responsible for generating those experiences. How do these seemingly disparate entities interact and influence each other? It is one of the biggest challenges in understanding consciousness and called the hard problem. This problem focuses on the difficulty of explaining how physical things happening in our brains, like neurons firing and chemicals being released, create the subjective feeling of being conscious or what it is like to be you. It's like trying to understand how the physical properties of a TV screen create the rich and colorful experience of watching a movie. This problem remains a difficulty in our quest to understand how the mind and body work together. There are several theories attempting to solve the mind-body problem and the nature of consciousness. Each of these theories offer a unique perspective on how mind and body might interact. The Global Workspace Theory suggests that consciousness arises from the integrated activity of various specialized brain regions. It posits the existence of a central workspace within the brain where information from different areas, like vision and language, is brought together. This unified representation allows for a coherent and conscious experience of the world. The higher-order thought theory focuses on the ability to introspect and reflect on our own thoughts, a form of metacognition. It proposes that true consciousness depends on this ability to have thoughts about our thoughts. For example, simply seeing a red apple wouldn't necessarily compare to consciousness under this theory. However, if you then have the thought that apple is really red, this inner reflection might be consciousness. The integrated information theory takes a more abstract approach. It claims that the level of consciousness is directly related to the degree of integrated information processing within a system. Imagine information as puzzle pieces. In a highly conscious system, these pieces wouldn't be scattered, but rather interconnected and interdependent, forming a complex and unified picture. The more integrated the information processing, the greater the level of consciousness, according to this theory. While these theories offer interesting insights, the nature of consciousness is still an ongoing exploration. The question of whether organisms, animals, or machines can own a form of consciousness is still in debate. The field of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and with it, the question of whether machines can achieve a level of consciousness similar to humans. Also, from a religious or spiritual point of view, there are different perspectives. Many view consciousness as a manifestation of the soul or spirit, which is a dimension distinct from the physical world. Despite significant advancements in neuroscience and philosophy, the nature of consciousness remains a profound mystery. Our quest to understand it continues to inspire curiosity and exploration, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Our minds are truly remarkable, capable of self-reflection, integrating the world around us, and even questioning their own existence. But where do these abilities go when we drift off to sleep? In our next video, we will discover the fascinating world of unconsciousness, investigating sleep, dreams, and altered states of consciousness, where the nature of awareness takes on new and intriguing forms.